Welcome, my wonderful learners. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly change your career: how to speak English confidently at work. Whether you work in an office, a hotel, a hospital, or even from home, confidence in English communication is one of the most powerful skills you can ever build. But I know what you might be thinking. What if I make mistakes? What if my colleagues laugh at me? What if I forget words in the middle of a meeting? Don't worry. Everyone has been there. Even native speakers make mistakes. The truth is, confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from practice, courage, and a positive mindset. Let's imagine this. It's your first day at a new job, and you're in a team meeting. Everyone is speaking fast, sharing ideas, and you're silently rehearsing your sentence in your head. Your heart beats faster, your palms sweat, and then you decide not to speak at all. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many brilliant people around the world struggle to express themselves at work. Not because they don't know English, but because they don't trust their voice. The good news? You can change that, step by step. The first step to speaking confidently at work is preparation. Confidence grows from familiarity. Before meetings or conversations, prepare key phrases you might need. For example, if you're attending a project meeting, practice saying, "I'd like to add something here," or "That's an interesting point. May I share my view?" These phrases are your confidence boosters. They give you a voice in professional conversations. You can even practice them in front of a mirror or record yourself. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. The second step is listening actively. Confident speakers are not just good talkers. They are great listeners. At work, pay attention to how your colleagues use phrases, expressions, and tone. Notice how they agree or disagree politely. "I see your point," or "I understand your concern, but maybe we can try this approach." These are small phrases that make a big difference. The more you listen, the more your mind adapts to real workplace English, and soon, those phrases will flow naturally from your mouth. The third step is practice in real situations. You can't build confidence by thinking about it. You have to use it. Start small. Ask your colleague, "How was your weekend?" Or, "Do you need help with this report?" These short, friendly exchanges build comfort. Over time, you can move to more complex conversations, like giving feedback or explaining your ideas in meetings. Remember, fluency grows in real moments, not just in textbooks. Another key element is body language. Your posture, your smile, and your eye contact all communicate confidence even before you speak. When you walk into a room, stand tall. When you speak, look at the person you're talking to. And most importantly, smile. A genuine smile not only relaxes you, but also makes others feel comfortable around you. English confidence is not only about words, it's about how you present yourself. And yes, let's talk about mistakes. You will make them. Everyone does. Even native speakers say the wrong words, forget names, or mix up tenses. But confident people don't freeze when they make mistakes. They move on. If you say something wrong, just correct yourself with a light laugh. "Oh, sorry, I meant to say..." That small attitude shift turns embarrassment into strength. Let me tell you a story. One of my students, Maria, worked in a global company. She was excellent at her job but stayed silent in meetings because she feared her English wasn't good enough. One day, she decided to change. Every morning, she practiced speaking for 10 minutes, introducing herself, summarizing ideas, pretending she was in a meeting. In 1 month, she spoke up for the first time. Her manager was impressed. In 3 months, she was leading meetings. And in 6 months, she was training others. That's what happens when you stop waiting for perfect English and start speaking with courage. Now take a deep breath, my lovely learners. You've come so far already. The fact that you're here, reading this, shows one thing. You care about your growth. You're not just learning English. You're transforming your future. Remember, confidence doesn't appear overnight. It's built step by step, through every small conversation, every polite, "Could you please?" every brave moment you open your mouth even when your heart is racing. That's how confidence is born. Not in silence, but in action. Think of your English journey like a sunrise. At first, the light is soft, shy, almost hidden behind the clouds of fear. But as you keep speaking, keep trying, keep showing up, your light grows brighter. One day, without even realizing it, you'll speak fluently, naturally, beautifully, and you'll look back and smile at how far you've come. Don't worry about your accent. Don't worry about small mistakes. They are not your weakness. They are your story. They show your courage, your effort, your journey from where you started to where you're going. Every time you speak, you're not just practicing English, you're practicing bravery. And remember this: English isn't about perfection. It's about connection. When you speak with kindness, when you listen with respect, when you express yourself with honesty, you're already winning. Because people don't just hear your words, they feel your confidence. So, from today, promise yourself, you will speak more, you will fear less, and you will believe that your voice deserves to be heard. Let's keep learning together. Let's keep growing. One sentence, one smile, one conversation at a time. Because your English journey isn't just about language, it's about discovering the confident, unstoppable version of you. So go ahead. Walk into your workplace tomorrow with your head high, your heart open, and your English ready. Speak softly, speak bravely, speak proudly. Because you can, you will, and you already are.